Lithuanian government is actively taking measures to ease the negative impact of current economic downturn. Firstly, we have introduced measures to improve the public sector management, as well as we active in various policy initiatives which aim to support the transport development, such as Trans-European Corridor, Green Paper, which implementation as a European Union policy, Baltic Sea strategy. At this moment, this strategy is final stage for preparation, and the Northern Dimension Transport and Logistics Partnership. Again, this initiative deals with a range of questions, including European Union funding possibilities and regional policy coordination and implementation of concrete projects of international importance. A good example, again, can be used the Green East-West Transport Corridor. Next, please. Effective intermodal transport chains directly contribute to the competitiveness of transport services and stimulate economy. Measures aiming to development of intermodal transport have great potential in the current downturn of global economy. They can stimulate commerce by reducing the cost of transportation. Lithuania is aiming at the promotion of intermodal transport by constructing 3 public-private logistics centers near Vilnius, Kaunas, and Klaipėda. 3 logistics centers will be situated at crossroads of major international transport corridors. Will be such clusters which includes very different business activities, transportation, forwarding, logistics, research, ideas, and other activities. Indeed, we are looking for your experience and some assistance in using private-public partnership models for their financing and such innovation, as well as your direct participation in this establishment of this new modern logistics centers. But indeed, it was very useful to us. The previous presentation on PPP. I hope we would like to receive more information on experience used public-private partnership in your country could be transferred to my country and in our region. Next slide. And now I go to final my third phase of my presentation. Again, we like briefly which deals with the long-term perspective of East-West Transport Corridor. This picture shows the theme of the East-West Transport Corridor in the long-term perspective. Extension of this corridor aims to creation of competitive transport and logistics chain involving key players in the Europe-Asian transport system, China, Russia, countries of the Baltic Sea region, and Western Europe, and might be partners from USA. It's a big achievement for us. And I hope it's maybe mutual interest if we can develop this global chain. This would be useful for as a global chain, not only for Asia, Europe, but as well as for USA. Also, I would like to pay your attention, but it's not only some dreams and some lines and some drawings that today existing shuttle train, Odessa, Lichos, Minsk, Vilnius, Klaipėda is very successful. It's one good example of the intermodal transport solutions keeping in mind in Central and Eastern Europe. As this was noted and is put it with our experience, is put it in best practice book in European new issue on intermodal transport development.